Oh, ah. Emily likes to tease occasionally, all the time.
Yeah.
I am not climbing to the top. I do not have the footwear for it, but I did put on some sockets. So snugged up my Crocs, and here we go. Oh, look at that. Wow. Sideways growing tree. Gotta love it. Let's go over here. I want to see the view on the other side here. Ah. Oh, yes. Look at this. Ooh. Oh, nice trees growing sideways out of there. Fun. Okay, let's go this way, I think. This looks slightly less treacherous. Whoa. Yeah. I'll go this way. Oh. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry. Holy moly. Look at this. Oh. Oh. Worth the workout. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my goodness. What?
Really big crab.
Yeah.
Sorry, it scared me. It scared me.
You okay?
No, it was just right by me. And it's huge.
What was it?
Crab.
Where?
A crab?
I scared him. Yes, they're black and they're huge.
Yeah, they're all.
You terrified him.
I think I scared him to death. Sorry, John.
That'll teach him.
Yeah.
Oh, whoa, 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 there's one. I saw one. Wait. It was so fast. Whoa. Whew. Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh. Whew. Oh man. Oh, amazing. Amazing. Yeah. I'm gonna take me a selfie right here. Don't mind me, video. Pause. Let's go down here around. I want to see it. Oh, look at this. Oh. Yeah. Ooh, this is sharp. Must be very careful. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Amazing. Oh. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh. Whoop. It's slick here. Can't fall. No running. Oh. Oh. It's gonna get me. Wow. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Well, not sure if I'm up to the task of getting to the top of that thing. I wish I had better. Just got my stupid Crocs. Ooh, oh, fishies. There's fishies. What is that? There's like little flowers in there. Oh. Oh. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Oh yeah, yeah. There we go. Oh, oh yeah, yeah. That is not terrible. Oh. Let's just take a little rest here. Oh. Oh. I got splashed there pretty good. Okay, now how do I get down? There we go. Very slick. Oh, and here's a good one. Woo! Oh! Okay, let's get out of here before it splashes again. Let's go this way and back around. Head on back. Oh my goodness. What a hike. That was incredible. I might be saying the words incredible and amazing too frequently. There you are, sir. Oh, 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 another fishy. I'm gonna get splashed here. Woo! Okay, go up and around. Ooh, splash. Ah. Oh my goodness. Let's take a picture of the girlies over there. Zoom, zoom. Yep. And they're waving at me. Let's get back before my GoPro dies. Whoop. Oh. You guys are freaking me out in your sandals. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, little flowers. Whew. Oh, there's another one over here. Climb down on. Okay, here we go. Gotta go back. Got to go back. And it makes me very sad. Huh. Maybe I can go. Whoop. Hey. I assume I can go over this way. I'm just not sure about the getting down part. Squat some and grab onto the plants that have thorns for support. That's good. We like that. Oh, it's you!
Howdy.
Hey, Lug. It's pretty amazing over here. I like this side best. All right, I am somewhat tuckered out. Whew. Look at that. Yeah, that's not my destination today. All right, let's see. Now, I'm gonna go down this way and go along the edge. Does that have thorns? No. Ooh. Almost took a tumble. Woo-hoo. Okay. Whew. We'll see how the stabilization boost does on this here walk. Ooh. What is that? There's some weird animal breathing at me. What is it? I must have alarmed some animal, bird, otherwise, I don't know. Okay, I recognize this. Yeah, look at this. Look at this root growing in right here. What the heck? Definitely a tripping hazard. Ooh. Oh my goodness. And there's the boats. All right. About time to get ready to go back. There and back again. Chinaman's hat. Oh, what an amazing day. Look at that. Yep. There he is. There he is. He won the race coming back.
Yeah. I was just trying to get back as fast as I could.
I know. You just went straight at it.